Hey everyone, this is Rajiv Gupta and welcome to the Idols. Today I'll be teaching my choreography on Chand Sifarish. If you haven't checked the showcase of this choreography, you can check the YouTube channel of Idols, and for information click the I button here. Okay, so we'll start with the choreography, and I have divided the choreography into two sections, section 1 and section 2. So before starting, make sure you are warming up and your body is warmed up and have plenty of water. Okay, shall we get down with the choreography? Yes, you're ready. Let's go. So let's get down with the first section. Okay, so the first section starts from the 7th count of the cue. So it goes 7 and 8 and. So we go with your right leg, we go 5, 6, 7, go 7 and 8 and. जस्ट थोड़ा सा हिप ट्विस्ट करेंगे एंड हील टू टो करके हम लोग आगे आएंगे. ओके, लेट्स गो 5, 6, 7, go 7 and 8 and with this your hand goes 1, 2 like this. So 5, 6, 7, go 7 and 8 and now hop on your left. So we go 1 and 5, 6, 7, go 1 and. Easy. So with this our hand goes to our left shoulder. Okay, so we go 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and from here we go 2 and 3. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go 2 and 3. In the 2 your left leg comes out and hand goes over your head, cross it out. Again from the top 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You shift. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here we go 5, we go 6 and we roll it to 7 and 8. Again from the 4th count, 5, 6, 7, go, we go 5, we go 6 and we roll it to 8. Clear? So this is the first 8 count of the section. Now let's try it in one flow. Let's go 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's right. Moving ahead, if you want, you can always go rewind, slow it down and then learn it. Okay, so from here, now from here we go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3. So what happens is your right leg is coming out, stepping ahead, and then left leg goes out. Okay, at the same time you're rolling your hand inward to your face, like the lyrics goes, Sharma hi jaogi. So we are kind of sharmawing here. Okay, so let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and then you go for a wave. That's it. Again 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now from here you just go back. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. Take your left leg behind. So you go 5, 6, 7, go back. So this is your 5th count. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Now from here it's quick, 5, 6. So you have to turn and lift your left leg. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go, turn, and this is your angle here. Again 5, 6, 7, go, turn, this is your 6. Now we go 7 and 8 and. So we go 7 and 8 and. Again 5, 6, 7, go, 6, 7 and 8 and a 1. Again 5, 6, 7, go, 6, 7 and 80 end. So this is a little cross step happening here. So we are going cross, 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 cross out. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 6, 7 and 80 end. You have to practice this step. If you want breakdown, you can always go check the other tutorials in the IDLS website. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 6, 7 and 80 end. Now with this, our hand goes, we are here, so we go 7 and 8 E and 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and 80 end. 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and 80 end. So with this, it's a little polyrhythm happening here. So our leg goes 7 and 80 end and our hand goes 7 and 80 end. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 6, 7 and 80 end. Correct. Now from here we go 1 and 2 and 3. All right, let's revise the second 8 count first. We are ending here. Now from here we go 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 80 and correct, correct. So this is 2 8 counts of the first section, remaining 2, let's get it done. All right, before that, let's do this 16 counts in the song. I'll not play the song, I'll sing the song, so you have to do it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको शर्मा ही जाओगे तुम. Now here comes the music. Ta-da, pa-pa, pa-pa-pa. Great. I think it's clear so far. So let's move ahead and learn the third section of the first section, if that means anything. Let's go. 5, 6. So we are ending here. Now from here we go 1 and 2 and 3 and we out in 4. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now from here we just hit and step back. Okay, now while we step back, we are hitting with the hands and we are shifting legs one by one. So sorry, so we go left, right. All right, so here 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and 6 and correct. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and 6 and. So it's trying to listen something and then we go tum. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and 6 and 7. And now from here we're going to go quick, थोड़ा fast होएगा. So यहाँ से we go 80 and. So what we are doing is left leg को पीछे ले रहे, right leg को आगे ले रहे. So यहाँ से 5, 6, 7 go left right. 5, 6, 7 go left right. While we do this, हमारा हाथ जाएगा ta ta ta. Okay, so from here 5, 6, 7 go 80 and. Correct. Again from the top, from here 5, 6, 7 go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 80 and. Correct, correct. So यहाँ पे जाता है धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुमको. Correct, correct. Let's move ahead. और अगर आपको ये पार्ट सीखते रहना है, then you can always rewind and learn it again. Okay, let's go. From here 80 and we are down to the last 8 counts of the first section. Let's go guys. 5, 6, 7 go. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again 5, 6, 7 go. You just turn, you lift, you place. That's it. That's what's going on with the lower body. Now upper body, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. We go 1 and 2 and 4 and correct. Now from here we are going to do again. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's gonna get fast now. So we are going to do 5 and a. So we are going to do 5 and a. It's quick. So what we are going to do is again we are going to shift our legs one by one. So we are going 5 and a. We're just shifting it. So it's 5 and a. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 5 and a. Correct. So 5, waist, head, and your hands are like this, flat. Okay. So from here 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a. Correct. 6, you have to wait, and then we will go 7, 8. Just wave it twice with your right and with your left. Correct. Let's do it once more. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a. 6, 7, 8. So this is the end of the first section. Okay, let's revise it from all the way from the top. एकदम top से revise करते एक बार. Again, I'll not play the song. I'll sing the song. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको शर्मा ही जाओगे तुम तेरा पप्पा पप्पा धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुमको घबरा ही जाओगे तरदा para. That's it. That's right. I hope you got all the points, and now I'll talk about the musicality parts that you have to focus the most in this entire choreography. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Tararara है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको. So here you have to go switch tarata. This is the rhythm, okay? And then we go Sharma hi. You have to go this, and then you have to go jaogi. You have to get the wave on jaogi tum tara. So after tum, it's coming very fast. So you have to go jaogi tum tara papa ta ta ta. And as soon as you are completed this comes turant. Ekdam fat se aayega. So you have to wait here. There is no waiting. Sorry. So you have to go turant. So 5, 6, 7, go. Dhadkane jo. You have to hit this on jo. Suna du tum. And there comes ko. So we are going ko. And then घबरा ही जाओगी तरदा. There's the music. Tarana. So you have to go 5, 6, 7, go tarada. Try to hit this. And then there is so you go tarara. Just wave twice. Alright. I hope the first part is clear with you. And then now we'll try to do this entire segment in slow counts first, total, and then we'll go full tempo. Alright. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको शर्मा ही जाओगे तुम तेरा पप्पा ta धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुमको घबरा ही जाओगी तरदा पर. Correct. Fantastic. Are you ready? I guess you are. So let's try the entire section 1 in full speed. All right. So the rhythm is gonna be ta ta ta. 5, 6, 7. Oh, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको शर्मा ही जाओगी तुम पढ़ा धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुम तरदा घबरा ही जा तरदा पूरा. क्या बात है. Guys, you did an awesome job. So this is the end of first section. I'll see you guys in the second section. Peace. All right. So यहाँ तक आए हो तो obviously first part खत्म करके आए होगे. Definitely. अगर नहीं तो वापस जाके करो. ठीक है? So let's get along with the second part. Again divided into 4 8 counts. So let's get it done quickly. Let's go. 5 6 7 go. So you're finishing here 7 and 8 and now अभी यहाँ से footwork चालू होगा. So pay close attention. So we go 5 6 7 go 1 and okay, try to hop on your left. So you go 5 6 7 go 1 and a 2 and again 5 6 7 go 1 and a 2 and 5 6 7 go 1 and step right left and right. That's it. So it's kind of cross step again with a hop. Okay, so we go 5 6 7 go, we hit down and then we go ta 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 ta. So the music goes dhum ta da 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 da. Okay, so we go 5 6 7 go dhum ta da 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 da. Try to hit your head also, तो थोड़ा सा impact ज़्यादा दिखेगा. So we go 5 6 7 8 boom da 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 da. Now from here we go 7 8 sorry 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 again 5 6 7 8 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and again from here we just try to lift it and flick it. Okay, so we go 5 6 7 go flick flick, correct. Again 5 6 7 8 boom da 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 da, flick flick. Now from here we go hit and so you must have seen this footwork. It's an afro footwork, I don't know the name, but what it does is you just cross your legs. See, this first leg will come on your toes and then you go heel and then you just switch. Okay, so we go toes heel switch, easy. Again 5 6 7 go toes heel switch. So we are ending 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 end. Okay, so we are going to play a danka or something. ठीक है, drums play कर रहे हैं जैसा we have to mimic. Okay, so we go 5 6 7 go 1 and a 2 and 3 4 5 and a 6 and correct. So this is 5 and a 6 and okay. तो ये फ्लेवर चाहिए. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा एक जो एक वेव डाल रहा हूं वो ट्राई करो करने के लिए. ओके, लेट्स गो 5 6 7 8 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 5 and a 6 and now from here we go hit 7 hit 8, easy. Let's go again 5 6 slow 7 8 1 and a 2 and 3 4 5 and a 6 and 7 8. That's it. Okay, this is down with the first part. अभी इसके continuity में है जो second part का second 8 count का startup. So we go 7 8 and 1 and again 7 8 you go round from your left turn turn step ऊपर, ये and count पे आएगा. So we go 7 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 again 5 6 7 from the top 5 6 7 go 1 and a 2 and 3 4 5 and a 6 and 7 8 1 and 2 and 4 and you have to wait here 3 and 4 and so we go 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now we go 5 6 so it comes ta ta. So we go 5 6 7 and open up 7 and along with this go like switch switch switch, twist your right leg. Okay, so we are going 5 6 7 go 7 and then we're going for a pas de bras. Okay, so we go 7 and 8 and 1 2 3 4 again 5 6 5 6 7 and 80 and 1 2. सो ये खत्म होते ही, पादेब्रे खत्म होते ही वी आर गोइंग 1 and 2. अभी देखो मेरा हील, सॉरी मेरा नीज जो पॉइंटिंग लेफ्ट है वो धीरे धीरे राइट को पॉइंट होएगा 4 काउंट्स में, ठीक है. सॉरी बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. ऑलराइट, सो अभी वापस से करते एक बार. 5 6 7 गो. 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 8. From here 1 and 2 and you hold here for 3 and 4. All right, and then we go 5 6. Now we have to go 7. So यहाँ से open up होना है, पूरा open up. ओके, और उसके साथ में अपने हील्स को ट्विस्ट करो. जो राइट वाला लेग है उसका, उसके जो पैर को है ऐसा ट्विस्ट करके जाना है. सो वी गो 5 6 7 गो. 5 7 and 80 एंड. तो यहाँ पे एक पादेब्रे करना है. खोलने के बाद पादेब्रे एंड आपका जो लेफ्ट नी है वो लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ स्विच होएगा, ठीक है. सो एक बार समझो ये 5 6 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. तो यहाँ पे एक सोचने वाला एक पॉस्चर लेना है, ठीक है, कि लाइक चांद सिफारिश सोच रहे, ठीक है. सो वी गो 5 6 7 and 80 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, so from here we go step step step. We start with the left, so we go 5 6 7 go step step step. All right, so यहाँ पे जाएगा 5 6 7. अभी ये हाथ जो है ना, ये हाथ को घुमा के इस पोजीशन पे लाना है. सो योर हैंड गोज boom. Okay, and with the turn we go 5 6 7 go 5 6 7 8. Correct. Let's get the entire first 8 count again slowly. 5 6 7 go. 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 8 1 and 2 and 4 5 6 7 and 80 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct. We are down to the last, I guess. एक बार और ट्राई करते हैं. 5 6 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 7 and 80 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct. और एक 8 काउंट बचा है. लेट्स गो. 5 6 7 गो. अभी इसमें है ना थोड़ा सा पॉलरिदम काम करेगा, जिसमें हम लोगों का पैर इज गोइंग दिस. ओके, it's switching heel toe. Let's go 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with this our hand goes 1 and 2 and again 5 6 7 go. Right left hand ऊपर रहेगा, right hand नीचे, then straight, then again bend and close it together. Okay, again 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and. All right, अगर ये फुटवर्क के साथ नहीं आएगा तो आप अभी के लिए ये भी कर सकते हो जस्ट, और अगर फुटवर्क के साथ आ रहा है then go for this. Okay, so we go 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. खींचो. Okay, again 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and यहाँ से 4 and खींचना है. अब इसके बाद है ना, again we have to wave 5 and 6 and okay, again 5 6 from where? Yes, from here. 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6. अभी यहाँ से 2 round the jump लेना है. So we are going left, we are going right. Simple. So we go और हाथ ऊपर रहेगा. So we go round the jump. Let's go. 5 6 5 6 7 go. We go 7 8. Okay, last 8 count I promise. ये वाला पहले कर लेते हैं, द 4th 8 काउंट. फ्यू. लेट्स गो. आई नो यू गाइज आर स्वेटिंग टू. लेट्स गो. 5 6 5 6. एक बार टॉप से लेते हैं यहां तक. 5 6 7 गो. बूम ट ट ट ट टा बूम 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 ट ट ट ट टा बूम 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 चा का बूम बूम तररा बूम चा. Hey ka 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 7 8. Now from here last आखरी I promise. Let's go. 5 6 7 go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So यहाँ पे 1 2 में वेट करना है. So 1 2 3 क्विक है. 4 खींचना है. So we go 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. Now from here राइट हैंड को घुमा के लेके आओ और धीरे धीरे बैठना है. 5 and 6 and then we go 7 and 8 end. So वहां पे छोटा छोटा हाई हैट्स आता है. लाइक इट्स लाइक कोई गले का मोती गिरा दे तो कैसा आवाज आता है. सो वैसा ति 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 ति. सो आपको ऐसा पॉइंट करना है कि वो गिर रहा है. ओके लेट्स गो. 5 6 7 go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and guess we are not in the end. अभी एक और बचा है. I'm so sorry. Last part I promise again. So we go 1 and 2 and एक छोटा सा टम्बल बटरोल करना है बेसिकली. यहां से लेफ्ट को गिराओ, राइट लेफ्ट को खींच के लेके आना है और राइट को अंदर आना है. ठीक है आगे. फिर यहां से नीचे गिरना है एंड देन यू हैव टू गो टू योर कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन एनी हाउ यू वांट. ओके महाराजा जैसा सो जाओ. ठीक है लेट्स गो अगेन फ्रॉम हियर. 5 6 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. This is the end of the choreography. Nice. Good job guys. अभी ये entire section 2. Yes, entire section 2. Let's get it done. Slow count पे पूरा. Okay. Let's go. We are ending. 5 6 7 go. 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 7 and 8 and 1 2 3 4. Take your time here. 5 6 7 heads up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 7 8 1 and 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. Awesome. Fantastic job guys. बहुत बढ़िया. इतने एंड तक पहुंच गए हो. Congratulations. और प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. सो अभी एक बार हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये पूरा सेक्शन 2 एक बार गाने पे. अगेन आई एम नॉट सिंगिंग, सॉरी आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग द सॉन्ग, आई विल बी सिंगिंग. ओके लेट्स गो. 5 6 5 6 7 गो. अभी यहाँ का तो बीट्स है तो मैं बीट्स ही बोलूंगा और जहाँ पे वोकल्स रहेगा वहाँ पे वोकल्स बोलूंगा. ठीक है. सो वी गो 7 8 भूम द द द द दा खा खा boom da 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 ka ka boom 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 ta and we go ta ta da चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता हूं तुमको बता हे शर्मो हया के. सो यहाँ पे ना शर्मो हया खींच रहा है, थोड़ा सा इसको खींचना है के, फट से लेके मत जाना. सो वी गो के पर्देगी ट करनी है हमको खता. That's it. End of section 2. Great job guys, great job, fantastic. अभी एक काम रह गया है क्या कि the entire piece. Yes, I know you guys are ready. entire piece from the section 1 to section 2. We'll go slow count एक बार. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 and 8 end. है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको, शर्मा ही जाओगे तुम. तेरा तिथ तिथ धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुमको, घबरा ही जाओगे. पा 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 भूम दे 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 दा का भूम दे 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 दा का बूम 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 का ठक ठक दा बूम. चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी, देता हूँ तुमको बता. है शर्मो हया के पर्देगी करनी है हमको खता. ओह क्या बात है. Awesome, fantastic guys, superb. Ready for the entire piece in full tempo, right? Don't forget to take water breaks in between. ठीक है, पूरा डिहाइड्रेट होके मत करना वरना end of the choreography you'll be flat. Okay, let's go. Entire choreography in full speed. गाते गाते करूंगा, ठीक है. अगेन 5, 6, 5, 6. है जो इरादे बता दूं तुमको, शर्मा ही जाओगे तुम. पापा धड़कने जो सुना दूं तुमको, घबरा ही जाओगे. तरदा धूम दे ना धूम दे दा बूम 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 चा चा का बूम. चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी, तुम देता हूँ तुमको बता. है शर्मो हया के पर्देगी करनी है हमको खता. Awesome, fantastic. You guys are ready, I guess. Okay, किसी भी पार्ट में, किसी भी ब्रेकडाउन में कोई भी डिफिकल्टी है, you can go rewind and play as much as you can. Okay, कोई फीस नहीं लगता रिवाइंड करने में, राइट. सो जब भी ये कोरियोग्राफी ट्राई करो, मेक श्योर आप उसको ब्रेक डाउन अच्छे से करके सीख चुके हो, एंड देन यू नो ऑल द म्यूजिक पॉइंट्स. ओके, तो उसके हिसाब से अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, देन यू विल गेट टू डू दिस कोरियोग्राफी इन इट्स फुल, क्या बोलते हैं, you can justify this choreography. All right, I guess this is it. This is the end of the entire choreography, and I hope to see you all in the next choreography of my next choreography. So peace out. Radhe Radhe.